Look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Red Jacket Daily. It's your girl T, and I am back with another Not So makeup tutorial. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I thank you for stopping by. Whoever sent you, thank you. Thank you so much. And I would love for you to be a part of the Red Jacket family. So you see that red subscribe button at the bottom of this video? Go ahead and select that right now. If you love fashion, you love pop culture related topics, you love to see makeup tutorials, this is the channel for you. So go ahead and subscribe right now. I know you want to. You are already a part of the Red Jacket family. Thank you so much. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching my last video. I know the lighting was kind of shaky. I do apologize. I was trying to get the aesthetics of my Christmas tree, but that's neither here nor there. But if you are not familiar with my Not So makeup tutorials, go ahead and stay tuned. And you want to know how I achieve this look? Staying tuned is how you'll find out. So without further ado, I'm going to go straight into this video. I hope you guys like it. I'm going to start with some underneath contouring first, because you guys already know I have the dark marks right here from my glasses. Get rid of some of these dark circles around my eyes. You know, as darker complected women, we do have a lot of trouble spots and dark spots around our eyes and stuff. I don't know about you, so I'm not going to say all of us, but I do. I can't find my other mirror. I'm going to use my handheld mirror, so you guys might see me pulling out the mirror and putting on and looking back at you. So please forgive me that I have to do that, but I can't find my other mirror. So I'm going to go ahead and begin. Well, first, before I do my concealer, I am going to actually use my LA Girl Pro Powder. I'm going to go ahead and just put some powder around my eyes and my nose, because I'm noticing that that actually is my trouble areas. When I put on foundation, it looks like really sometimes flaky in those areas, like around under my eyes and my nose and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and do that first. You want to make sure when you are setting, if you decide to set first, like if you have trouble around your nose and your eyes, underneath your eyes like me, you want to make sure that you kind of blend it in, so that when you do put your concealer on, if you do under eye concealer first, like me or whatever, that you it's not all like ghosty looking. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Espresso. Shout out to Beauty Blender for coming out with such a great product. So I'm sorry guys if like my mirror might be in the shot. I can't find my other mirror, so I think it's just time I get a new mirror. I think that's basically what my old mirror is telling me. It hit for me to tell me to get rid of it and to get another one. So now that my concealer is where I want it to be, my glasses marks are covered, I am going to start with my foundation. So you guys are going to be so proud of me. I'm actually for the first time using my Fenty Beauty. I am using the color 430. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Matte. I'm sorry, it's the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. So this is my first time actually using it. I finally decided to branch off and use a different foundation. I'm not using my Covergirl anymore. You all know what it looks like. The packaging is very cute. It's very sleek. This will be my first time trying it. I haven't tried it before. I'm trying it for the first time with you guys on camera, so don't judge me. Don't judge me. Shake it up. All right, take a few drops. Put it on the back of my hand. First, my E.L.F. foundation brush. Go ahead and dab a little bit of that. All right, get my mirror. Okay. I'm actually excited to use this because it's my first time ever using it. So I'm very, very excited to see how this turns out. So let's go ahead and start blending. It has a really nice smell too. Like I've read that in the, I've seen that in the reviews and I read that in the comments. Like it has a nice smell. Very impressed. Like I love the way it looks. I love the way it went on. I am very, very impressed. Like I'm very impressed actually. I'm extremely impressed. It looks amazing. It dries amazing. So next, I am going to just brush my brows. I really was supposed to go get them done today, but I was out for so long that I really just was like, I'm ready to go home. My feet are hurting. It's raining. It's cold. And I'm over being out today. Like, I don't know if it's raining or cold where you are or where you guys are, if it has been raining. But it's definitely raining here. It's been raining here for the past couple days in good old Ohio. So, yeah. I am using my Anastasia Brow Wiz. The color that I use is called dark brown. So, let's go ahead and get started on these brows. And right now my daughter is like moving around and kicking. This is the time where she's up usually, and she's probably wondering who I'm talking to, why I'm talking so much. So yeah, she's moving around and kicking right now. Now that my brows are complete and they look nice and they look where I want them to look after 37 years and 40 hours later, I'm going to go ahead and start with some highlight. And I am using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is Fawn. Any products that you guys want me to try, you want to see me do tutorials on, you want to see me do unboxings, get ready whips, whatever, please do not be afraid to leave any comments or concerns. I will definitely go out and buy that product and do a nice little tutorial for you guys. If you take my makeup advice, thank you. Like if you come and watch my not so makeup tutorials and you're like, oh, I like this, I like what she does, thank you, because I'm an amateur. This is amateur hour at the Apollo. And I'm your girl T. I actually like how this concealer sits on top of this Fenty Beauty. Like, it does something that, for me, my Covergirl didn't do. I felt like with my Covergirl, a lot of the times, I put my concealer on, and it was like sinking into the product. And that's no shade to Covergirl or anything, but that's just something that I'm comparing and contrasting. Just using these, this is my first time using something other than Covergirl. So, and I feel like you can pretty much use it with any product that you have. You know, go ahead and buy the rest of the stuff that comes with her line and her collection. But if you don't have that money right now, or that coin, or you're not getting it as a Christmas gift or whatever, I would say whatever products that you do use, it does go well with whatever products that you have at home. So go ahead and set my foundation and my contour and my highlight, because I didn't really contour. I'm not really into contouring. I'm okay with my big forehead. I'm okay. So if I still look a little Ash Tuesday, I will fix that here in a second after I get done setting my under eye. But I am trying to look for a different setting powder. So again, if you have any suggestions, or there's one that you love and just to die for, please put that in the comments. please. Now that I am set and looking ghostly, I am going to start with my eyeshadow next. And since this is a holiday glam look, you know, because Christmas, and then after that is New Year's, I probably won't do another video for New Year's. It just depends on how I feel after Christmas. I want to do more of a neutral look. I'm not going to do something too glammed up, you know, too much color and glitz and all that. I'm not there yet with my eyeshadow blending skills. When I do get there, trust me, I will make more steps and strides to making those type of not so makeup tutorials. First, put some concealer on my eyelids so that when I do start with my eyeshadow, the colors will pop more. You can see how pigmented the colors are, and you know, all that good stuff. I have a new eyeshadow palette for you guys that I'm going to test out. This is my first time using it as well. I'm using the Profusion Cosmetics Infatuation palette. It has 21 eyeshadows and it comes with an eyeshadow brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and this is what it looks like. Very beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh guys, look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my god. This is beautiful. The packaging is beautiful. It comes with 21 shades, like I said. It's very affordable. I got this at Target today for $8.99, I want to say. Yeah. I think it was like $8.99 on sale. And I was like, oh my god. I have to try this. So, it comes with a little like film on top of it. So, I'm just taking that off. If you guys are wondering what that noise is. First off, the brush that comes with it. Look at this. Like, this is a nice brush, guys. Like, it's so soft. Like, Profusion, y'all better go ahead, okay? So I do want to apologize if this lapse of this video is really off. The whole time I'm thinking I'm recording and my phone died. This is the finished look of what I came up with when I was using the Profusion Infatuation eyeshadow palette. I would definitely recommend this palette. The pigmentation of the shadows blended really well. I love the brush that it came with. I just love the way the shadows showed up on my eyes. I'm just so upset that I thought I was recording and you guys weren't able to see. Jesus Christ. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this look. Go ahead and start with my lips. I am using my MAC liner pencil. The color is called Rebellious. It's the Pro Longwear Lip Pencil, which I need to get another one of. This poor baby. She done been through a lot. Go ahead and use my MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color. The color is called High Drama. I'm going to use that to finish off. This is probably my favorite. It goes on so smooth. I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my Sephora Beauty Amplifier spray. Go ahead and let this dry. Okay, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed my not so makeup tutorial. I do apologize that the video cut out right when I was about to show you guys how I apply my eyeshadow. I'm still so bummed out about that. But this is not my last not so makeup tutorial, so I will do another one where I'll make sure that all my devices are charged. If you like more videos like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. If you love this look, you have any suggestions on products you want me to use, test, or you would love to see me do in another Not So Makeup tutorial, go ahead and drop your comments in the comment section below. I do read all comments. So again, thank you guys for tuning into my video. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video.